What's up, guys? So I'm going to unbox the Apple Watch Series 3. This is the Space Gray 42mm Sport Edition. So here we go. Yeah, it's pretty exciting. Designed by Apple in California. So here we have some instructions. We have the other part of the watch band for smaller people. As you guys know, I'm not one of the smaller people. So there we go, guys. So this is it. 1, 2, 3. That's how you put the watch on. That was it, guys. I'm just kidding, that's not it. So this is the watch. Put it right there. All right, we have the power adapter and the puck. That's it, guys. So we're going to power it on. All right. So it's saying I need to put it next to my watch. We're going to pair it. Bam! We're going to set it up as a new watch this time. I'll wear it on my right. Yep, right. I'm going to agree. I'm going to skip the passcode. SOS mode, very important. Alright, guys, we're installing and we're syncing. We got a new little tutorial. So that's it, guys. That was the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to go charge this puppy up and start wearing it. Peace out, guys. Oh, one thing I forgot. Stay tuned. I'm going to do a full review of the Apple Watch Series 3, how it differs from my current Apple Watch 2, and then I'm going to put my Apple Watch 2 up for sale. So, peace out.
Stop stalling.